Last year, I took this new YouTube channel from 0 to 100K subscribers to prove going viral on YouTube is not luck. But a lot of people got mad in the comments saying,
"You only went viral because your face was in it.
You already had 2 million followers, cheater."
So today I'm gonna prove those haters wrong by creating a new YouTube channel without my face or voice so no one knows it's me. Plus, I'll be using AI to create the channel name, the profile picture, and the videos from scratch so all y'all watching can do the exact same thing. The first step to creating a successful YouTube channel is choosing a popular niche. Right now, the top 3 niches are fitness, money, and comedy, so I'd pick one of those 3, like money. Then I'd head over to ChatGPT and ask it for a good YouTube channel name related to money. Money Mentor sounds nice, so I'll go with that. To create the profile picture, I'd go over the DALL-E 2 and ask it to create a profile picture for a YouTube channel about money called Money Mentor. Then I'd add that profile picture and name to a new YouTube channel like so. Now that my YouTube channel is set up, it's time to create the videos to post on it. Back in the day, this was very difficult because you had to write all the scripts yourself, find stock footage, choose music, then edit all of that together nicely so people actually want to watch it. But now in 2023, AI can do all of that for you thanks to NVIDIA's new AI technology, which sponsored this video. NVIDIA AI is revolutionary because it is the only AI where you can enter a prompt and have the AI fully generate the script, stock footage, voiceover, and music for your video. Let me show you. So say I wanted my first video to be about the 3 worst money habits people have. I'd go over to ai.nvidia.io, press create AI video, then I'd give the AI a very specific prompt so it can create the video as vivid as possible. The better the prompt you give the AI, the better your video will turn out. So make sure not to say something like make a video about bad money habits. Instead say create a 20 to 30 second YouTube short video about the 3 worst money habits people have that loses them large sums of money each month. Include HD video examples of each money habit, list the habits in order from 1 to 3, be stern in tone, and use a male American accent. Then after NVIDIA analyzes your prompt, you need to select what type of audience your video is for, how you want the look and feel of the video to be, and what platform you are posting the video on. Once all that's done, press continue and the AI will create the entire video for you from scratch.
Poor money habits are draining your wallet. 1. Impulse buying, those treat-yourself moments add up. 2. Neglecting savings, a penny saved today is a dollar earned tomorrow. 3. Ignoring debt, interest rates aren't just numbers, they're your hard-earned cash slipping away. Break these habits, keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket.
It normally comes out pretty good on its first attempt like that did, but if you don't like it, you can restart with a more specific prompt or edit the video yourself in their back end by choosing different stock footage. And if you end up having any problems, don't worry. You can reach out to their 24/7 chat support or subscribe to their YouTube channel for tutorials on how to make the best videos possible. You can try out NVIDIA's AI for free right now with the link in my description, but if you're serious about video creation and want to get rid of pesky watermarks, I'd recommend upgrading to their paid plan for as little as $20 per month. Now that I have 1 video created, I'm going to create 13 more using AI, then schedule to post 2 per day for a week and see what happens. After an action-packed week of double backflips off rope swings, doing wheelies, and making some money, it is time to look at the results. I don't think there will be any super viral videos because in my experience of growing 13 accounts to over 100,000 followers each, it normally takes 1 to 2 months before stuff starts to pop off, but let's see. Well, nearly every video got 0 views besides the first video I posted, which got 49 views. Overall, this challenge was definitely a fail, but 1 week is way too short of a time period to see if you can actually blow up on social media. So if y'all want me to run this back for 1 month instead of 1 week, get this video to 5,000 likes. And in the meantime, you can watch this video where I scale a YouTube channel from 0 to 100K subscribers. Just click right there and God bless.